How is it going, guys? Slippy Jim here. Welcome back to my playthrough of The Witcher 3. In the last episode, we were going to a few of the remaining undiscovered locations here in the White Orchard area, and we found a few bandit camps and stuff like that, and raided those, so that's pretty cool. We picked up a lot of junk that we can sell, and a few extra alchemy formulas and things like that, which is always good. But we're going to continue with this. In this episode, we've got these two hidden treasure caches up here. We'll head to first, and then we'll head across to these two, and then we've got the main quest to do, so that should be pretty cool. Alright, I think we're ready to go. Let's head across. Let's just take a look at the map, actually. So up here, sort of northwest is where we want to go. Northwest, this direction. Can we jump down there, or is that going to kill me? Probably going to kill me, so we'll head around this way. Let's play it safe. Sounds like there might be some wolves in the area. It's pretty cool. I haven't played too much at night because I usually like meditate through the night.
Perfect weather for a voyage.
Okay, we got wolves. Die, wolf!
I'm too old for treks that long.
Damn, you're ugly.
Oh, what the hell?
Time to move on.
That was weird.
Could use a portal about now.
What the hell is he talking about? I'm trying to fight wolves here. Oh god, this is not good. Oh, they're wargs, no wonder. Need to regen some health here. Man, that was... There's one left? Come on, bro. How many wolves are there? Level 5 as well. It's like an endless supply of wolves out here. Good for leveling up, I guess. Okay, I think that's all of them. That was insane. That was a huge pack right there. Let's see if they've got anything for me. It's just, I guess I can sell all this stuff. Meat is always good. I've got so much meat already though. Okay, what is this here? Oh, this is the... Oh, okay, so they were actually the monsters I was supposed to kill for this area. So no wonder there was a lot of them. Oh, we got a glyph. Uh-oh. Thought I killed all of them. Okay, what was that glyph that we got? Let's take a look at that. It was just one of these ones we've already got, I think. I want to get the other ones. Spy's notes. Huh. That wolf over there chasing the rabbit. Loot that. Have I got everything else? Okay, now he's chasing me. Yeah, get scorched. Is it because it's nighttime? I've never seen this many wolves before. Oh wait, what's this dude?
Strange.
Did we examine his body or what's going on with that? What? Oh, there's something right there. That's just the... Oh, there's another package back there. Okay, I need to regen some health if I'm going to get constantly attacked by wolves in this area. Hopefully they don't notice me for a second here. Let's just check this package at the back here. Oh, it's just water. So What was the note about? Let's have a read of that. $220 gold. That is awesome. Alright, where was that note? Notes. Spy's notes. 15th day of observation. Back in the camp, brought in heaps of plunder, mostly armor and weapons, but this time a sealed chest too. Towards dusk, a man delivered rations of food and drink. After dusk, I'll try to track down where they carried it to. Didn't move the case that far away, just to the abandoned hut near the old mill. Set up a watch so I wasn't able to get closer. I think we already found that one though. Yeah, I think we already found that one. That was the one underneath that building. So yeah. Okay, there should be another one around here as well. This one here. Let's head down to that one. Hopefully there's less wolves. Oh, there's a whole pack of them over there. There's some wargs as well. Let's head over. Are they chasing me? I think they're chasing me here. Yeah, they're definitely... Okay, let's take them out then. Oh, anytime you want to use your Ignias... Oh god, that was not the best dodge. Okay, is that it? Man, if this is what it's like playing at night, I probably should keep meditating through the nights. Just constantly fighting wolves. I mean, it's probably good for ranking up and stuff, but let's switch to Axie again, because I think we've got a bandit camp here. And I'll eat some more food. Yeah, we've got more wolves over there. Pretty beautiful though. It's such an awesome game, this. Right, let's head around here. Hopefully they're bandits. Looks like it is. Probably deserters. Nobody here? Huh. Yeah, there's some wolves off in the distance though. What have we got here? Ooh. White wolf hide. Most of this stuff is just stuff that you sell. Ashes and stuff like that. Okay. Can I not walk through there? A massive crate and all it's got is a little vial inside it. Some good crafting materials. Okay, what else have we got? Sacks. Swords and stuff like that. I think that's everything. Ah, why do I keep pressing that? The wargs are the worst, man. They're like super hard to kill. Bit of fire helps though. Yeah, I think we got everything in this place. So, let's take a look at the map again. So those two are completed. Now we just want to head around to here, and there's fast travel there, but it might be slightly quicker to use the fast travel, I guess. So let's go up through here to that. Regen some health on the way. I don't actually regen health at night with that skill that I've taken out. I think it's just stamina during battle or something at night. I'm not sure I even have that one active actually. Yeah, this was the one that we already found that stash of stuff down here, I think. Pretty sure. Let's just have another look at that. I'm pretty sure it was down here. Where's my... Yeah, that was... Oh, there's another one here? Maybe some of this loot respawns, because I know we definitely looted all that already. That's interesting, if it respawns. Okay, so the fast travel sign should be down here somewhere. I think we're back at full health again. There's another honeycomb, might as well get that, I guess. Oh, this one's... Oh, there we go. No, that one's going to glitch out. I don't know why it does that, but it's a little bit annoying. Okay, so we'll go over here to the Nilfgaardian garrison. I think that's the closest fast travel sign location to where we want to get to. Alright, so it's still nighttime. You know what? While we're here, let's head up and sell off some of this stuff to this dude up here. And you know what? We're probably not going to find that emerald dust, at least not in White Orchard, real easy. So I might actually end up buying some from this guy. It's only gold after all. Where is he? This guy here. Get up, son.
Are you here to spy or haggle?
Let me see what you got.
Show me what you're peddling.
Okay, so what we want is one of those. Not enough coin. 571. I'm like 10 coin off. Alright, let's sell him some stuff then. Sell him that. Pure silver can be sold or dismantled. We'll just sell that. Sell that. What else can we get rid of? Black pearl. I probably want to hang on to those for crafting, I imagine. I don't really know. Sell some of that. That's actually good gold right there. Thread. Sell some of this. And he doesn't take any of that stuff. Okay, we got tons of swords to get rid of. So, Maribor sword. I'll keep the ones with the slots just in case you can upgrade them later. You probably can't though. Gildorf sword. Blackjack. Rusty. Get rid of that one. That. Sell those. Everything must go. Look how many pairs of pants I've got here. It's ridiculous. I guess I'll sell those. That doesn't look too bad. Because it's got a slot, but maybe I should just dismantle some of this stuff instead. This is really good. Look at that. Why am I not wearing that? Probably because I picked it up and didn't notice. But I'll sell that actually. Sell that. Sell that. Sell that. Sell that. Sell that. I've got so many swords here. This is insane. Man, I've nearly got 1,000 gold. Okay, we'll just keep these ones. I'm probably not going to use... Why am I keeping that one? Let's sell that one. Yeah. Alright, and then we wanted to buy one of these. And there goes nearly all my money, unfortunately. Okay, craft. So he can't... Can he craft that for me? No. The other dude can, though. That might be worth looking into. But what I want him to craft is this. Yeah, plus 17. Awesome. So that we're going to have 2 serpentine swords now.
So long.
So let's equip that. I should repair the other one as well if I need to. 93%. It's actually not too bad. And we can put... What's the green though? I don't think it takes any of these. No. Oh well. We'll repair this one a little bit if I can. Oh. Looks like I can't. So this is 30 armor. This is definitely better. So I think I've got everything I need to make that. We just need to go back to that other guy in the village. Let's just meditate so it's daytime. That should give us back some potions as well. And we'll also use this. And where was the wheel over here? Give us that little buff to our armor and weapons.
Is it true? Northern women barbarians.
Alright, let's go back down the stairs here. So there were just those 2 more undiscovered locations that we wanted to go to. These 2 here. Alright, back in this direction. Well, out of the way, buddy. Witcher coming through. How far away are these? Okay, they're in the swamp, so we're going to have drowners. Let's get Igni. I actually already had it ready to go, so we're going to kill these. I'm not a huge fan of these guys. Alright. Hopefully we have the right oil. What is this? Oh, that's a rock. I thought it was a bear over there, but it's a rock. Okay, we can probably ignite the gas if we do it correctly. Huh. Alright. So it kind of makes them panic, which is cool. Duck! They always hammer me, these guys. I don't know why. It's like they are quite dangerous. Okay, that guy's dead. Okay, that guy's dead. There's always more than 2, though. Where are the other ones? It's probably over there in that direction. Is this even the place I'm supposed to be going? No, it's not. We're going down here. So I can probably just ignore these guys. Let's just keep going. There's no loot there. This is just like a random encounter because it's a swamp area. Okay, what's this? Okay, we've got a chest over here. I know that gas is affecting me. It's bringing my health down. I think there was anything else there. Wait, where's the marker? Oh no, that was one of them. Fair enough. It was a guarded treasure. So there wasn't much there though, was there? Over here. This is it here. It's just like one chest. It's ridiculous. Alright, we'll go over to the other one. Gotta get me that loot. Okay, this looks like bandits.
Come on.
I don't think fire really is the best for these guys. And we've got wolves as well. Should keep him busy for a while anyway while we're fighting these wolves. Oh, good. Okay, took out one bandit and one wolf with that. That was pretty good. All right, Butcher of Blaviken, achievement unlocked. I'll take it. Grab all this, get some more rusty swords. Can never have too many rusty swords. What happened to this guy? They kidnap him or something? I need to find a bank so I can get rid of some of this currency that I'm picking up because I can't use it right now. Oh, what do we got here? A Ratchas decoction. Is that everything? What's this over here? Explosive barrel. Probably should use some of those explosive environment things to my advantage a bit better. Okay, I think that's everything. Let's get this honeycomb. Can sell for some good gold. Now I've pretty much spent all my gold. I need to start getting it back again. Alright, let's head back to the village now that we've done... I think we've done every point of interest now on the map. It's just the main quest, which will start in the next episode. Pretty sure we discovered everything, which is pretty awesome here in White Orchard. So yeah, we'll head back to the village. Is there another... What's this red marker up here? Oh, it's just loot, I think. Grab your razors. Alright, let's have a look and see. I probably want to go back here to this signpost so we can fast travel. And then we'll head back to that that armor in the village to try and craft that pretty awesome piece of armor. Let's keep going. How far is this? I didn't think it was that far. Probably... Okay, there's some more honeycomb right there. Where is it? Let's get me some of that honeycomb. Oh, that one's bugging out, I think. Oh well. Yeah, the signpost is just here. Let's see, where is he? He's over here. Back to Wosong Bridge. And let's go find the blacksmith.
Me gran told me about the smith's
Discipline.
lad
That
went
is what
missing
you
one day,
folk
so
lack.
folk nabbed a witchman that was hunting nearby.
I mean, the armor I'm wearing right now looks pretty awesome, but that other one is better. So,
Not Goidemar.
It's raining.
I think he's over here. Alright, Willis.
A return customer. Welcome. What can I do for you this time?
Show me what you got.
Yeah, show me your wares. Why not? We'll sell some of these swords I've picked up. And get rid of those. What else does he buy? Okay. Alright, craft something for me, buddy. This one, I think, is the one that I wanted. The trouble is it doesn't have resistance to monsters, but it's going to be better for fighting like bandits and stuff like that. And we have everything we need, so let's craft that. Alright, farewell.
So long.
However,
Teddy's my best mate.
we're not going to actually use that in the next episode because we're going to be fighting the Griffin. I do want to see what it looks like though, so let's just try it on. Oh, hang on. I need to be level 3. Look how close. Look how close I am to level 3, guys. I wonder if I need to kill a few more wolves or something to get to that. But yeah, we'll definitely be level 3 by the time we leave Whiterun, that's for sure. Anyway, this is where we'll leave it for today, guys. Please remember to rate and comment, and I will catch you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Sleepy Jim out.